Morgan is having me try some mystery hummus.
Look.
Oh yeah. She just said close her eyes. I mean, my eyes. I can't speak.
Don't look.
I'm not looking. Am I allergic to any of these things? No. Okay. Wait, why? I'm not looking. Why can't I look though?
Just for dramatic effect.
I like that.
I need to see the color.
Okay. Well, I'm assuming it's brown.
Think again.
Is it like green, like when you really ate something?
That would be so fun, huh?
For context, Morgan told me she bought chocolate hummus. Here we are. Whoa! Wait, that only tastes like hummus.
I gave you regular.
Okay.
Alright, here, now I give you the chocolate.
Wait, no, but that was actually funny because the first very taste I was like waiting for something, so the immediate reaction was like, and then I was like, I don't taste anything.
Here it is, look, it's
Oh my
poop.
That is some bread. That was my toilet this morning.
It was so good.
Whoa!
Big whoa.
Whoa! That tastes like
Literal brownie batter.
Who would have thunk it, man?
I didn't think it.
What the fuck?
This gets a shout out to Brooke Michio. I saw her post about it and I thought I'd try it. And I clearly can't stop. I bought that a few hours
Oh my god. Yeah, that's not hummus. No matter what they say, that is not hummus.
I mean, it's
What's
like
in it?
chickpeas pumped full of sugar.
Yeah.
Actually not though, there's only 5 grams in a serving. It's
Oh my
only 50
gosh.
calories, it's not that bad. It's
That
like
tastes like
cocoa
straight
powder.
dessert. Like I would put that on cake. I would literally put
I would
that
ice
on
a cake with
I
this.
would too. I would genuinely ice a cake with that. Wow. I love that you're
Where's
giving
my
normal hummus. Being pranked by my roommate. Don't ever prank me again.
That is not.
What the finch?
Good morning vlog. Welcome back to What the Finch. I feel like this is how I started my last vlog. Zit cream in the morning. It is currently 6:43. I just woke up. Ugh, I slept on my arm so weird. I think I'm like just messing up my arm. I hate that, but today I'm up early because I actually have to go record 2 episodes of my podcast in the studio by 9 a.m. and the studio's in Burbank, which is like, at this time, it takes like 45 minutes or an hour because of rush hour traffic. I used to intern at Warner Brothers when I was younger and when I was in college, and that commute was not amazing. So I'm up a little bit early because I actually have to plan and go over my 2 episodes. I wore some Zit cream. I'm just gonna take it off. I've never actually tried this, the Pixie Glow Tonic, but I was listening to the Skinny Confidential podcast yesterday. I actually like just found out about it because my friend Lauren told me, and I actually really like her. Oh my god, my shoulder. And she had this guest on who's like a skincare expert randomly, and the skincare expert was like, yeah, I don't like wash my face in the morning because you put on so many good products at night, you don't want them to like not be on your face anymore, obviously. So I'm just gonna use this toner to take off this Zit cream. Ow. Hey, this one Zit is like really hurting me. One more for good measure. So, ooh, eye booger. Ooh. I'm also gonna work out later, but I'm trying this new technique this week of productivity called time batching. And again, the Skinny Confidential, they actually talked about this on their podcast, which is how I discovered it. I'm actually trying it for the first time. I think I'm actually gonna talk about it on the podcast episode. So if you guys want more details, I'll link the podcast right up here, and you can actually listen to that episode where I'll fully explain how to time batch. But I will tell you, like, you're setting aside chunks of time where you only work on one thing, and like you literally put your phone on airplane mode, you don't do anything else, you don't touch your email, you literally just like edit for 3 hours or whatever it is, which sounds very simple, but I think when we actually get caught up in like our day-to-day lives, it's actually very hard to stay on one thing. But what I've realized, especially with things like filming and editing, is it's way more convenient to like get a bunch of it done at once than to like start and stop and start and stop and start and stop on different days, especially with filming, because it's like I have to get ready and set up the camera and clean my room, and doing that multiple times a week is not productive. Anyway, let's go have breakfast and do the dang thing. I'm gonna plan these podcast episodes. Also, I can't get over how obsessed I am with this vibiness. Obviously, if it was cleaner, it'd be even cuter, but pretty obsessed. Might put LED strips under my bed or like around my headboard, because that would be cute. I also just meditated for the first time literally since June, and I've been really trying to implement meditation back into my routine. It just hasn't happened. So this was the first time I did. Literally, it was just 3 minutes, and all I did was close my eyes and think about nothing, which sometimes that's all you need. And you know, there are many ways you can do it, but this time I just set a timer for 3 minutes, closed my eyes, said my mantra, which actually my mantra is just 101592, which is my birth date. The reason being that if I think of a word, I get distracted, so it needs to be like nothing. Yeah, so we're gonna try to start doing that every morning and see how that goes. All right, I'm at my computer. I added some banana to my usual waffles, actually, and some peanut butter, just for a little protein, a little fruit. Got my coffee. Just gonna think through my podcast episodes now. Pretty fun to do this because I really enjoy it. So we're gonna do that. I've shown you guys Airtable, I believe, right? So Airtable is what I use to plan out all of my social media posts. So I have an intern, Jojo, and she can go in here and see these. She can add her graphics, and then I can add captions. We have like the date we want to publish and everything. So she told me that I have captions to add for these. So that's what I'm gonna do actually before I even play on the podcast. So this is this like weird ratchet looking website that I use for my Instagram captions, because it actually lets you keep these spaces in. So I literally copy it on this website and then go to the SMCEO page, click here and paste. There we go. Okay. Okay, it is 7:50. And I need to leave at 8:20 because traffic. I just wrote out my first episode. It's pretty, like, this isn't even all of it. This is just like bullets. So I'm almost done. I gotta do my second episode, but I do need to start getting ready in like 10 minutes. All right, time to get ready. Classic me, it's 8:14, so clearly I'm not leaving at 8:20, but that's fine. I planned out one entire episode. I didn't get to plan the second one. I'm thinking that I'm either going to, instead of recording a second episode, I'm either going to record just promos that I need to record. So like a new intro where I'm like, hey guys, my name's Adrienne Finch and I believe wholeheartedly that blah, 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 blah. I recorded that like when I first started my podcast, and I was a little more uncomfortable and like didn't really understand the tone. It sounds fine, but I just feel like if I re-recorded it, it could be good. So maybe I'll do that. We're gonna just see how much time I have, because if I have time to fully like plan another episode while I'm there, then I'll do that. I never like look super camera ready at these, even though I am on camera, just because I'm like, whatever. Plus I like to be natural anyway, but I do like to look a little bit more professional just because it is called self-made CEO, not self-made toenail. Ow, the one zit. We should name my zit. So anyway, you guys quite literally saw me get ready in the last day in my life vlog. So I'm just gonna get ready off camera and see you soon. Okay, bye. All right, OOTD, I slapped on some makeup, tank top, jeans, and these cute shoes that I actually really like. I think they're from Princess Polly. I forget, maybe not. I honestly don't know, but I really like them. I got some sun this weekend. I didn't think I did, but I did. Kiss the money tree for good luck. I don't think that's what you're supposed to do, but whatever. Okay, I gotta go. All right, I just got to the studio. I was listening to more of the Skinny Confidential podcast in the car. I'm a huge fan, actually, just because they talk to some really awesome guests and they talk a lot about like entrepreneurship and business, and I didn't realize that, so I'm a huge fan. I'm actually gonna go record an episode of my podcast where I'm mentioning some of the stuff that she talks about in one of her episodes. I forget if I already told you that. So we're gonna head in, go meet my producer, and we're gonna record an video tour. So here's the back where they basically edit as I'm recording. There's a couch. You walk in and this is where I record. I'm being quiet because there are people around and the door's open, but they put my cute little background up. It's really awesome. And then I basically sit here. There are 3 camera setups. Whoops. That's where she tells me like when to take a break and the timing and everything. All right, guys, just finished recording at the podcast. Sue and I were just having a nice chat. Ooh, sorry. No, it's okay. I only recorded 1 episode because my brain hurt, but also because I just wasn't fully ready for the second one. So we only did 1 and then we chatted and it was great, and I appreciate Sue so much. And she's gonna be on the podcast, by the way. We're gonna talk about hypnotherapy. I mean, wait, what's it called? Yeah, hypnotherapy. Oh, hypnotherapy. How cool is that? hypnotize me to be more successful. Anyway, okay, gonna go. Sup squad, back at home. I just picked my zits for the 10 years and took off all my makeup, so I look a little crazy. I'm trying to think of something to do to make this vlog interesting. Right now it's literally just me working the same way I do all the time. Hello. But I was just picking out my Fabletics outfits for this month. If you guys didn't know, I partner with them, so I like get stuff every month and post it on Instagram. Currently looking at some underwear. But I'll figure out something interesting to do. You mark my words. Well, I hope you didn't mark my words because it's the next day and I have yet to do something interesting, but I am about to get my nails done because, guys, what are those? I'm like notoriously just so bad at being a girl. Like, wow, I just smudged my mirror. Okay, cool. But anyway, I gotta go to the nail salon. I honestly just don't like sitting around like not being able to do anything and just waiting, and that's why I wait so long to do these, because I don't want to go and sit there. But I finally talked to someone who her nails always look so cute, so I was like, where do you go? And she told me, so I'm gonna go there. Okay, bye. Ready and before. Look guys, I'm driving with no hands. Just kidding, I'm in the car wash. Yeah, buddy. All right, the two things that I was putting off for literally ever was getting my nails done and getting my car washed, and I did both. And like, okay, you probably can't hear me, so, but look at my nails. Mom, Dad, I think I'm being sucked into the upside down. Would you guys even believe I'm back at basecamp? And look at the puppy. Phil, you're so famous. This is Dylan's dog. Hi, baby. We love him. We love him. Dogs love Haley. Whoa, whoa, some X-rated things going on here. I love this. This is amazing. Hi. Hi. Dude, Phil is a pimp. Just all these ladies keep coming over to him. How do I become that popular, honestly? We're gonna spy on Andres teaching. There he is. 2, 1, fingers. Clearly we are really annoying. Nick! 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 Nick, you have to be in the vlog.
What?
You have to be in the vlog. I was like, let's go talk to him, and then you walked in. You look so steezy. Damn, boy.